The Aerotechnik WGM-21 was one of the earliest attempts to build a practical quadrotor aircraft, long before the word drone came into common use. Work began in Frankfurt am Main in the late 1960s when Aerotechnik and Entwicklung und Apparatebau GmbH set a clear goal: create a vertical takeoff and landing machine simpler than a helicopter, affordable like a mid-range car, and compact enough to park in a small garage. The company also wanted an aircraft that could be flown with far less training than a conventional rotorcraft. Engineers rejected the classic swashplate system that controls rotor pitch and instead relied on four rotors arranged in an X shape. Each rotor had its own variable pitch mechanism, which made it possible to control lift distribution without complex cyclic blade adjustment. Yaw control was especially innovative. Instead of using a tail rotor or differential torque, the two rear rotor masts could be rotated around their axes by the pilot's pedals. This tilt introduced horizontal thrust components that turned the aircraft with minimal loss of lift. The simplicity of the control system reduced mechanical complexity and improved power efficiency. The prototype WGM-21 used a modified BMW 700 automotive engine, producing 54 horsepower at 5,800 revolutions per minute. With an empty mass of about 245 kilograms, it could lift an additional 90 kilograms, approximately 198 pounds, and reach speeds up to 125 kilometers per hour, approximately 77.7 miles per hour, with a range of approximately 250 kilometers, about 155 miles. The rotor arms folded forward, reducing the footprint to roughly 1.98 as 2.18 meters, about 6.5, 7.2 feet. The aircraft received provisional airworthiness certification from the German Aviation Authority. Encouraged by early success, Aerotechnik developed the two-seat WGM-22 with an enclosed cockpit. Despite good handling and impressive hover stability, both machines struggled commercially. Infrastructure favored conventional helicopters, and the market for personal vertical takeoff and landing craft was not yet mature. Today, the WGM-21 is viewed as a pioneering concept that anticipated modern multicopter logic decades ahead of its time. Its ideas, distributed lift, simplified control, minimal mechanical complexity, resemble principles used in contemporary electric drones. Although the project ended, the WGM-21 remains an important historical step toward the multicopter revolution that would emerge many years later.